Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of marine. A word that refers to produced or found in the sea. For example, marine plants. American pronunciation. Marine. Marine. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Marine. Say. Marine. Marine means relating to sea. Marine. Marine. Marine origin. Middle English as a noun with the meaning seashore, from Old French marin, marine from Latin marinus and from mare sea. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Perhaps, appropriately, his Swedish girlfriend, Boel, is a marine biologist. Now, repeat after me. Perhaps, appropriately, his Swedish girlfriend, Boel, is a marine biologist. The second practice. Tom's marine biology degree shows in his concern for the environment. Now, repeat after me. Tom's marine biology degree shows in his concern for the environment.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.